Hey everybody, Chris here. Happy Friday. I am so glad it's the weekend. I hope everyone's had a safe week with this crazy storm. It has been such a strange year. But I'm so excited to give y'all another little sneak peek to our holiday that just recently launched. And I think I'm just gonna show y'all a little bit at a time here and there, so it would take me an hour to show you everything because it's insane and it's so exciting. Just launched for Band of Beauty members, and it will launch to the public on the 15th, I believe. So let's get excited. Anyhow, as you hop on, be sure and say hey. I don't know if my comments are working. But anyway, I'm just gonna show y'all two holiday products today. I did a 5-minute face. Literally, I timed myself today. I don't have a whole lot on, but it's just enough. Great for the day. I look especially tired today, I feel like, so I needed a little brightening. So I started just with my tint, which I've now downgraded back to the sand. I was honey in the warm months, and then I was mixing the sand and honey as I transitioned, and now I've really lost a lot of my summer sun, and I have been using the sand again, which I love, and I applied that all over my face with the retractable brush, which I love, and it blends beautifully. Then I came in with my under eye concealer with the concealer pen, which I've showed y'all before. This is light. Can always go back and put more on if you feel like you need a little more coverage. And then I did my trusty brow pencil with this side here. Comes with a little brush, and I brushed them out, and then I filled them in just a little bit and then blended it back out with the brush side. Then I went in with the new stuff. So this right here, I'm so excited about. Where is the box that it came in? So you can see the beautiful box it comes with. It's so pretty. All the packaging, y'all. The packaging is beautiful anyway, but the holiday is especially beautiful. Okay, this is the box that comes in. How beautiful is that? So this is the First Light Highlighter Palette is what it's called. And when you open up your beautiful little box, this is what it looks like. And inside you have your slide out mirror, like a lot of our pressed powders have, which I love. And then these 3 colors, which are your sort of highlighting, bronzing, and blushing, sort of all in one. And it's got the famous halo that was recently released with our pressed powder highlighters. So that's in there. Then it's got the golden and sun-kissed. So right now I have on sun-kissed, and I used it as a highlighter and a blusher and a bronzer. Honestly, I used it for all 3. I just used like my blush brush and put a little bit here across the top here, and that's it. So I didn't even apply blush today. That was sort of my all-in-one. It is, you know, all 3 colors are for all skin types and shades, but the sun-kissed is really lovely on especially fair skin, which even though I have kind of an olive complexion, I guess you could say, like undertones, I am relatively fair. So I went with the sun-kissed, but I'm gonna try that golden next time. I use halo all the time for my highlighting, but it's very, very light. So this one was really fun because I feel like I got more out of it. So that is the First Light Highlighter Palette, which is part of your holiday set available. Y'all, the prices on these sets are unbelievable. They're like the best deals right now. The second product I'm gonna show y'all from the holiday. Hey Meredith, how are ya? I'm showing everybody my 5-minute face I did today, and I'm going to feature just 2 of the holiday makeup products. So I just showed everybody the Illuminating Trio, and now I haven't even tried this on yet. I'm gonna do this like live on camera to see what it does. But this is called the Transforming Duo, and it comes in this precious little box. And remember like mood rings when we were little, how you would put them on and according to your body temperature and mood, it would change colors. this is that in a lipstick. So this is so cool. So basically it's called the Transforming Lip Tint. You apply this first and it will settle in and sort of transform the color of your lips according to your personal type, I guess you could say, your need, your skin tone, everything. It's really, really cool. And then it comes with this beautiful gloss. It's called the Crystal Lip Gloss that you can top it with. So all this is limited edition holiday stuff. So let's go ahead and apply it and see what happens. It almost looks like chapstick, okay? So you go, you apply that first. Let's see what happens. My first time trying it. Okay, oh my gosh, it feels so good. That smells like vanilla. A lot of our lipsticks and glosses smell like vanilla, but our holiday glosses actually have a peppermint scent, which is really lovely. Okay, so let's see what happens. Color is definitely changing. I like it. It's very, very natural. It's not too much. That's wild. It's like I just applied lip color, but really, really light and natural. And it's kind of darkening up just a tad. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so I could just go with that and go. It feels really good on my lips. Or I can come in with the Crystal Lip Gloss, cracking this joker open, see what it smells like. This one doesn't have a scent at all, but let's see what it does. So I guess because the lip color doesn't really have a color on it, it should keep my wand clean. That is wild. And so that's with the little lip gloss on top. Okay, I love it. All right, so this was called the Transforming Duo. Like I said, comes in this beautiful little box. These make such great stocking stuffers, awesome gifts. And I showed y'all this awesome palette where I used the Sunkissed as my blush, highlighter, bronzer in one. Whoop, with the angled Beautycounter brush, and that's it. So I'm obsessed. These are gonna go fast. I'm super, super excited. Anybody has any questions? There you go. Band of Beauty Friends. Hey, Lindsay, how are you? Band of Beauty Friends, you get first dibs on this stuff before it goes live to the public on the website. And then it'll launch. So last year, I cannot remember what sold out, but I know a lot of the makeup did. So that was just 2 parts. There are a lot more beautiful things to show you, sets like this. Brand new, just launched. These were never available before. What I just showed you now are brand new products, and just about everything I'm looking at right now is brand new, especially with the makeup. So I'm super excited about it. 5 minutes, y'all, is what it took me. And it feels great. I don't feel like I have a lot of makeup on, and I feel like I look a little more presentable, but I don't have to worry about what I just put on my body, which is a really good feeling. And in fact, this look is also ideal for young girls, like young teens. So many of these girls are putting on so much makeup now, and let's not add to that toxic load if we don't have to. So for my oldest, she's just started wearing a little bit of makeup. She just wears a little under eye concealer. She uses our concealer pen that I showed y'all, and our lengthening mascara, which is what I have on right now, which I just learned recently. You want to warm it up between your palms or run it under hot water for a minute, and it glides on a lot better, goes on a lot smoother. Sometimes people say, I feel like it's kind of a dry mascara, but you got to warm it up first, okay? And she uses blush. And of course, there's a couple glosses that she has, and that's it. And she looks lovely, and she looks appropriate for her age, but I don't have to worry about what she's putting on her skin and disrupting those hormones that from a very young age, we definitely don't want to start them that way. So like I said, any questions anyone has, I'm stoked about these products. So if you caught us late, you can catch the replay. And if you have any questions, just drop a comment or shoot me a message. And Band of Beauty, get on it because it goes quick. If you are not Band of Beauty, $29 annually, no auto ships, no minimums, nothing like that, just perks. You get 15% credit back every time you place an order, and you can use it later. You can use it in 60 days. You know, I believe it has a 60-day limit on it. So whenever you want to use it, you can use it. 15% adds up fast. You get free shipping when you spend $100 every time. And then you get a free member gift when you first enroll for the $29 if you spend $50. So it's just a no-brainer. So if you decide to do Band of Beauty before this launches to the public, you would have access to holiday. So now's a great time to become a member, get you some good holiday stuff, and then get you some credit back too for later. So anyhow, happy Friday. Hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. It's supposed to be beautiful. Go Cox. And we'll talk soon. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.